welcome to another vlog. Today's vlog is all going to be about first look of Lamborghini's recently launched road legal race car, the Huracan STO. So if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification icon so that you will never ever miss any update. So basically this Huracan STO is a kind of a road legal race car. And it's not like other Lamborghinis like mean looking or let's say super rich and with features laden like that. It is not that kind of car like Huracan Performante or Aventador or Urus. It's a pretty much track focused, performance focused, road legal race car. So let me give you some examples of this being track focused, performance focused, road legal race car. So if you take a look at its body, you can notice that there are many vents retrofitted to its body and the body is a bit wider. That's because it can give you some best aerodynamics while you are on the track, so that you can cut corners more effectively, as well as you can cool down the brakes and the engines. So it has better stability when you are cutting corners at very high speeds, as well as if you take a look at its body, except its doors and its top, everything else is made up of carbon fiber. So carbon fiber is really light and that's why they have made it. Also the windshield, front windshield is 20% lighter than a normal car. If you take a look at its wheels, those wheels are made up of magnesium. They are not made up of normal alloys which they are used for other models like Aventador or let's say Urus, but it's totally made up of magnesium. So if you take a look at its brakes, those brakes are made out of carbon ceramic evolution technology, which they call it as, because it has been borrowed directly from Formula 1 racing cars and they have inserted it here in this street legal race car. There are some more things which prove that this is a race car which has been made street legal. For example, the modes present in this car while you drive. So there is a STO mode. This STO mode is basically used for like daily use or some kind of road use, like you are driving it normally and not putting your foot down. So if you are planning to put your foot down on the racetrack, then there is a track mode which optimizes the performance of this car, like torque output, power output, everything is changed. It becomes a wild beast and all. And there is another mode which is wet mode. So if you are on a wet track day kind of event and if you want to race effectively against others, then you can switch to this mode, which increases the traction of the car and which makes it more stable on the wet surfaces of the track. So if you take a look at its engine, it's a 5000cc naturally aspirated V10 engine. So V10 engine means it is like this in V shape. 5 cylinders are present here, 5 cylinders are present here in front of each other, and that's how they work. And they produce a lot of power. In this case it produces 640 brake horsepower and 565 Newton meters of torque. It comes with rear wheel drive steering so that you can cut corners and turn it with by somewhat reducing the turning radius. Also it is only present in rear wheel drive option. There is no all wheel drive option like other normal version Huracan. So if you take a look at its 0 to 100 kilometers per hour timings, it is pretty impressive. That is, it is less than 3 seconds. That's what Lamborghini claims. Also this car is 40 kilograms lighter than the previous versions of Huracans like Huracan and Huracan Performante or Huracan AV or some kind of like that. It costs around a whopping 5 crore rupees ex showroom, that is without paying taxes, insurances, import duties and other customization and bespoke things if you want to do. Also you can customize this car in the interior as well as exterior. They have lots of color and ad personam schemes here. So if you take a look at its interior, the interior is beautifully laden out. The dashboard is covered with Alcantara leather and the door trim pieces are covered with the Alcantara leather, along with the seats are bucket seats which are made up of a combination of materials like carbon fiber and Alcantara leather, and the driver's information display is present, along with central infotainment display is present, which is touch screen, as well as it has air conditioning system. And along with it, you can order this car by customizing it with a roll cage as well as 4-point seat belts, which give you absolute feels like you are racing a DTM race car of Lamborghini, and on the track or on the road of India. So final verdict, there are some allegations against Lamborghini saying that they have used some kind of booster fuel or high octane kind of fuel so that to obtain quick lap timings on the laps of Nürburgring. But one can never judge a car just by looking at it or just by hearing at those allegations. You need to feel it so that you can believe it. So on that bombshell, let's end today's vlog. I hope you have liked this today's vlog. Make sure to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you will never ever miss such an awesome content, and I'll see you next time. Till then, ciao.